Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be putting together this uh, composter that I got from Home Depot. I'll link that below in the description. But I wanted to try a different type of compost this year and use something that's absolutely free to compost, and that's these leaves. Not these particular ones right here, but I could use these. But I got some raked up back around the corner over there, and we'll go back there once I get it all tidied up. Actually, I think I'm gonna put it right over here, so we'll go ahead and do it right over here. I'll bring those leaves over. But right now I'm gonna unbox it and see what we're working with. Well, I think I got all the pieces to it. Um, Seems pretty straightforward as far as putting it together. So let's uh let's see if we can do this. All right, well I already put some leaves down in the bottom. You want to spray it, get the water going down in there. And then I got some chicken manure, well, some shavings from the chicken coop. I'm gonna do a nice little layer on top right there. And I'll wet that in. All right, that's nice. And then I'll go ahead and put some more leaves in there. I guess you kind of shape this thing as you fill it up. All right. Push it down there a little bit. Try to shape it up. And I got some kitchen scraps I want to throw in there. Let me go grab those. All right, I got egg shells and coffee grounds and orange peels, banana peels down in there. I just throw the paper towels in there too. They'll break down. I'll put some rabbit manure with this section. All right. Get this nicely shaped up. Let me go grab some more leaves. I'll be right back. Some more rabbits come in. Put the rest of the chicken manure down in there. Water it down. You can actually put quite a bit of water in here. You could do it until water runs out the bottom, if you like. I probably won't water it that much because these leaves are kind of wet. I'll put some more leaves on top of that. All right, and there you go. It does get pretty sturdy after you fill it up. Still not a complete circle, but that's fine. Also, this is gonna take a long time for these to break down because I didn't chop these up. So if you want it to break down faster, you just chop these up into small pieces, and those will break down a whole lot faster than these whole pieces like this. But I'll keep y'all updated on this. I wanted it right here, so it's front and center, right in my face when I come out of the back of the house. And I remember to turn it because this I'm gonna turn every 2 weeks. This isn't a temperature one that I'm gonna do. This is one that I'm just gonna turn on a regular basis. And when I do turn it, I'll bring you guys out here to watch it. I'm probably just gonna pick this up, move it here, and then just shovel it over into the other one. That seems like the best way to do it. But anyway, hey, quick, free. Well, this cost me, I can't remember, I'll put it up on the screen, but all the leaves are free, the manure is free, everything I put inside of here is free. And so now, I mean, this seems like it's sturdy, it's gonna last for a while. I can make free compost in this for years to come. So if you got any questions, please leave comments below. Check out my affiliates, do all the YouTube stuff, like, subscribe, and I appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next video.